Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made put an end to you. Walked out this morning, wrote down this song, but just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? Look down upon me, Jesus. Gotta help me make a stand. You just got to see me through another day. My body's aching, time is at hand. Just can't make it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind to an easy time, back turned toward the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. But there's always that time on the telephone line, talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines in pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you again.